There's a silent wealth killer destroying middle-class families in 2025, and most people have no idea it exists. This is not financial advice, but rather a warning to those who are unaware of the risks. And what I'm about to show you will change how you think about your financial stability forever. In 2026, it's more important than ever to understand the silent wealth killers that can destroy your financial stability. With the rising costs of living and economic uncertainty, it's crucial to take control of your finances and protect your wealth. In this video, we'll explore the most significant wealth killer affecting middle-class families and provide you with actionable takeaways to safeguard your financial future. So, what is this silent wealth killer? It's the combination of inflation, debt, and lack of financial literacy. As the cost of living continues to rise, many families are struggling to make ends meet, and the burden of debt is becoming overwhelming. But here's the part nobody talks about: the long-term effects of this wealth killer can be devastating, leading to a significant decline in your standard of living and even bankruptcy. Let's take a closer look at the data. According to a recent study, 60% of middle-class families are living paycheck to paycheck, and the average household debt has increased by 20% in the past year. This is a clear indication that the silent wealth killer is real, and it's affecting millions of families worldwide. The impact is not just financial, it's also emotional and psychological, causing stress and anxiety for those who are struggling to make ends meet. So, what can you do to protect your wealth and avoid the silent wealth killer? First, it's essential to educate yourself on personal finance and investing. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice, but rather general information to help you make informed decisions. Second, create a budget and stick to it, prioritizing debt repayment and savings. Finally, consider investing in a diversified portfolio to grow your wealth over time. Remember, taking control of your finances is the first step towards achieving financial stability and securing your financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal finance and investing. In our next video, we'll explore the top investment strategies for 2026, and I'll share my insights on how to navigate the current market trends. But for now, let's just say that the key to success lies in understanding the silent wealth killer and taking action to protect your wealth, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in our upcoming video, starting with the most critical step, which is